Today we are going to be installing this modern performance Catless downpipe. My first time seeing this car up on a lift. Oh, freedom, baby! It's honestly perfect. I love it. I wish I did this way sooner. Guys, today is a very exciting day because in this episode we're going to be doing something that a lot of you guys have wanted to see me do to the PT-GT for a long time. I've actually had this laying around ready to be installed for a long time, but I just got lost in other priorities and I was in no big rush. But today is finally the day, and I got to give a shout out to the Cuz Race Car guys because we're actually going to be going up to their shop and using their lift to make this job like 10 times easier to get done. Today we're going to be installing this modern performance downpipe on the PT-GT. It is going to be obnoxious. As you can see, it is 3-inch pipe, beautifully welded, and it has actually two different bungs here. One is for the downstream O2 sensor and one is for an AFR wideband gauge. I ordered it with the extra bung specifically. I don't actually have a wideband to install in the car quite yet, but when we do, we will have it ready. Thankfully, Eli had this plug laying around, so we'll be able to plug that in the meantime, but I haven't bothered getting one yet though because widebands are expensive and we don't really need one yet because we're still just on the stage 1 tune, but if we ever did some tuning here in the future, a wideband will be very necessary and we'll already be set up for it. We'll be able to do a nice clean install that way. I already got my detailing products and my camera equipment back here. Why not add a downpipe to that list of stuff? That ain't going nowhere. Good news, O2 sensor has been secured. One place had it in stock near me, and now I'm cruising over to Eli's. I got a Mustang and a Subi up here that I'm cruising with. We're having a good time on our way. This is gonna be a good day, boys. We made it, boys. Video on that thing coming soon. That thing is fast now. Backwards or forwards?
Backwards.
Okay. Woo. Gotta make it. Here's the new O2 sensor. It's a Bosch.
Boosh.
I was about to order like a $10 one off of eBay. So this is like good stuff compared to what I was actually gonna subject the car to. I wanna try the spacer trick, but future video on that. My first time seeing this car up on a lift. About to see how crusty this thing is. It's fairly clean, but it's got some. Oh yeah, not bad. It's got a little bit like a lot of this kind of stuff. I'd like to wire brush and.
It's moist.
I think I have power steering leak.
Moist.
Yeah, there's a downpipe. You can see the bolts up there. Oh yeah, they're crusty.
Is that your oil?
That's the oil filter.
Oh, that's whack.
It's got like a
built-in cooler.
Yeah, it's got a cooler. Because you know they were meant for honing. Is that one bolt like loose? That one up there? It looks like it's like a little loose or something. Those are not coming out easy.
At least we have access here. Oh yeah, it is loose. There's like a gap.
Is it? Oh my god. Oh my god.
That's still spicy.
Oh, it's gonna be hot as hell.
I don't want to burn myself again on the exhaust.
Eli already burned himself, so.
Get some mechanic gloves.
Who put the straight pipe up here?
That's stock.
What?
Yeah. The stock, they only had one muffler in the back.
Bruh.
And it's gone. You can see where we welded in. It's a trailer axle.
I know, it looks like it.
It's a little rusty back here. A little more than I remember, but still not too bad. Yeah, it's like a trailer axle, basically. It's a solid rear end. Which is weird as hell because it's front wheel drive, but Chrysler things.
That's not stock.
Yeah, that exhaust.
Oh, yeah.
Bro, you could like stand up in here.
Yeah, pretty much.
Yeah.
Wow. What's in the trunk?
There used to be a spare tire there, but not anymore.
We need spare tires when you got
Friends.
with benefits.
Yeah, friends with benefits.
Friends with...
The last ounce of PB Blaster is going to my beloved downpipe. I don't know if that's going to come apart very easily.
No, that's not going to come out easy.
Yeah, we're going to have to use some...
That's like welded in there.
Yeah, pretty much at this point. Yeah, this clamp is gonna be
seated.
Screwed.
Okay, locked and loaded.
Yep, it's on.
Watch your eyes. Don't have enough ugga-duggas.
Nope.
Nope.
We snapped our first bolt. Show the camera. Yummy.
I'm gonna go coax it out with the vise.
Motherfucker, dude.
Why are you riding a bike with giant lawn scissors?
Let's snap another one? Yep.
Yeah.
At least they're coming off easy. They're just snapping. What in the world? I don't think he's okay in there. Or will he?
Oh, that one broke too.
Dude, they're just immediately snapping.
Something spun. It didn't feel like it broke though.
Oh, I saw something move.
What's moving? It might actually be unscrewing.
Oh,
Yo, we have freedom.
the only bolt that didn't break.
Look at that. It's free. Yeah, that's not coming off easily. Well, it's going on, but it's not. Womp, womp. Get the grinder. Yep, that's gonna have to get grinded off. I think I got the whole nut off.
The sparks were like hitting me, so I'm like, I gotta move.
Yeah.
Wow.
Hey. We had to cut the nut off, but the clamp is coming out.
No.
Should be able to get the cat out at least.
Yeah, maybe it'll wiggle out. I don't know. It's gonna be hot. Oh, well, never mind.
It's actually, you can grab it.
Sweet baby.
Cat, cat's really hot.
Yeah, I'm sure the cat will
grab the hot.
That's not bad.
Oh, actually, you can just unplug your
gonna like-
sensor back there.
Oh yeah. Oh, I'm gonna do that now.
Yeah, I'm like,
You
I
don't
don't
want
want you
this
to pull on that, and then your O2 sensor breaks in half.
the screw. I have welding gloves.
More spread.
I'm just glad we don't have that. Do some extracurricular.
Oh, freedom, baby!
Okay, here's the money shot. What do you want to do? The honors?
You can do the honors. Oh, there she blows. The exhaust even came apart with
Wait,
some persuasion.
It means.
What means?
your exhaust pipe? The fitness ground pays your test.
I think we need to start it now. Open O2 housing. Technically not like open turbo. There's an O2 housing. Okay.
Yo!
Oh my god!
That is
Just all you hear is turbo.
Yeah.
Oh my god, it's stinky. Alright.
Bro, that transmission or this tripod almost went into places you didn't know you had.
So we're gonna try to run and get bolts for the exhaust because I completely forgot about getting new bolts. I should have known that they were gonna be rusty and strip out, but we got the one that actually came out like it's supposed to. We're gonna try to make it to Napa before 5:30 when they close, and it's like 10 after 5, so this is gonna be interesting. Jim's got a speed.
I don't think Jim has ever went over 60 in this.
Bolts have been acquired. It's time to get some food. I don't think you're supposed to film in here.
Oh.
Eli is embarrassed.
I'm not embarrassed.
Are you embarrassed? We got everything we need. We're gonna go ahead and throw the pipe in real quick so we can finally hear how this thing sounds, but that was a fun little detour. Here they are, M8 by 125s, and I believe they are 40 long. All we could get is lock nuts with washers, so we'll make it do. It's not nap time, boy. Get to work.
It's past my bedtime.
Yeah, honestly. This guy wakes up at like 2 in the morning to go to work. Got the bolts, nuts and bolts. They got the downpipe. We just gotta put the O2 sensor in and we can throw it in.
The next day.
You should have done that facing the other way.
There we go. Thank you, sir.
Okay, so we are going to test our creation. This was temporary as of yesterday, and then now it's permanent as of 30 seconds ago. We're gonna just make sure it doesn't leak. We were gonna weld it, but we got a car show to get to. See that? Oh, dang. I like your shirt.
Thank you.
Yeah, that's your sick. Was that the one you got for your birthday?
Yeah.
Dude, that's cool. Yeah.
There you go.
Yeah, so as Eli just showed you guys, we did end up having to sleeve this because we could not get the pipe to fit into the old one. It was too good to be true that the old exhaust would completely. It was supposed to be temporary, but it is what it is. So yeah, you guys can pick on me down in the comments, but I've actually done this before. It works. It doesn't leak. It doesn't leak. It doesn't leak. Yeah. we weren't gonna show you, but. So now we are completely catless, and this thing sounds insane. We got to take it to a car show in a little while, show it off, and have some fun. And we'll get some sound clips for later on in the video, but it finally happened, boys. And of course, shout out to these boys for the help. Link to him up in the corner. Shout out to Jim too. You want me to link something up in the corner for you?
No, thanks. I'm good.
No, he's good. Link his OnlyFans. All right, we got you up in the corner. Guys, you're not gonna believe this. I had a check engine light before we installed the downpipe, and now it's gone. That is hilarious. Oh my god, I'm gonna laugh so hard if that stays off for like a week. I'll keep you guys updated on that. We're out here at cruise night. Eli's casually gapping his spark plugs at the show.
It must be freezing.
How's the gapping going?
The gapping.
How's the gapping going?
It's being gapped.
You gotta gap to gap, you know what they say.
I'm just gapping so I can gap you.
No, I mean, yeah, that's probably gonna happen. Look at this, Morgan's Jetta looking sweet. Slam. Second gear. That was awesome. be surprised by how not only nice this sounds, but how it's not like super obnoxious like you would think. I mean, obviously it's loud, but it's still not too bad. Even the drone, like it only drones a tiny bit at certain RPMs under acceleration. When you're just cruising down the highway, zero drone at all. Cruising at any speed, no drone at all. Only a tiny bit under acceleration. It's honestly perfect. I love it. I wish I did this way sooner. It sounds amazing, and the crackles are just accentuated now. And it even pops really loud under decel. It's great. Ooh, it's so nice. It's just perfect. I hope the camera even starts to do it justice, because man, second best thing for sure is the amount of turbo that you can hear in the exhaust now is insane. It sounds like a semi-truck. It's awesome. And my third favorite thing, obviously, is the smell. When the car's sitting there running, you can kind of smell the 93 octane now. And it's kind of a sweeter smell because it's the higher octane. That's what this car is tuned for on Mopar Stage 1, and it just smells good. It sounds good. It's amazing. Depending on your situation, if you've been debating getting a downpipe for your PT-GT or SRT4 or whatever, I highly recommend it. It sounds amazing. It definitely flows better too, and I noticed a difference with that. Bit of a difference in responsiveness. I don't know about a horsepower gain. A lot of people will say that, you know, you get an instant, you know, however much horsepower by freeing up the exhaust and doing whatever, but definitely a little bit more responsive either way. So as far as performance is concerned, it does a little bit, maybe. I don't really have numbers to prove that, but I'm just telling you what my butt dyno says. But I just love it. That's all I can really say about it. I've been driving it a lot, and I desperately need gas, so let's hope that I can make it to a gas station right now and get a tank of 93 before I run out. Hey, we made it, boys. Something I want to do soon is get a new exhaust tip for this thing too. The current one is just too small for the sound that's coming out of it. I gotta find one on like Amazon or something. I wish I thought I had to do that so that we could have thrown it out at the same time we did the downpipe, but I think a new exhaust tip is gonna come as well. But for now, this thing sounds amazing, and I'm super excited with the way it turned out. But I think that's gonna go ahead and do it for this episode, guys. Hit the thumbs up button if you enjoyed, and if you think it sounds good too. I know cameras are not gonna do it justice, but I gotta give another big shout out to the boys for helping out, making this possible. Got a lot of stuff planned, and we're gonna be doing a lot of cool stuff. Be sure to stay tuned for the video coming out the middle of this coming week. And thank you guys so much for the support. Thank you so much for watching this quick little video. You rock. God bless, and I will see you in the next one. Peace out.